With what kind of impression are you leaving now, Slovenia?
Oh, the first time in your country, great country, Slovenia, it was so impressed that day before yesterday when I arrived, all over snow. My hometown, when I childhood, I grown up under such the cold and the snow, that kind of the weather. So now on the more than 50%, years, I lived in Busan, Korea, where no snow, the warm area. So it was just so impressed, the Slovenia, your city.
Torej je zelo navdušen, impresioniran, odhaja iz Slovenije, predvsem pa je navdušen nad tem, da je doživel sneg. Prihaja sicer iz Nairobija sedaj, živi pa v Koreji, v Busanu, kjer snega ni. Rojen pa je v krajih, kjer je sneg bil in ravno zaradi tega, ker po 60 letih, odkar živi v Busanu, je pač v Sloveniji sedaj po dolgem času doživel sneg.
Kako ocenjujete delo Lions klubov v Sloveniji?
How do you assess the work of Lions in Slovenia? What is your impression? What is the work? How do you like the work of Lions in Slovenia?
Oh, it is wonderful. I don't know many details of your Lionism. However, I met them and several Lion leaders, the district governor, Marco, and the past district governor, Dorian. They are wonderful. They are so strong Lion leader you have. To compare other countries, I've been to so many countries, but you are having the excellent Lion leader in your country.
Pravi, da je odlično. Srečal se sicer v tem prvem delu zgolj z vodstvom, ki je predstavilo delo lionizma v Sloveniji, spoznal je seveda našega guvernerja in pravi, da je odlično vodstvo. Glede na to, da je obiskal že mnoge države po svetu, sodi, da so slovenski Lionsi odlično opravljajo svoje delo.
Srečal in ogledal ste si nekatere projekte Lions kluba. Kako so vam bili všeč?
You have been visiting a project of the Lions of Slovenia. How do you like it?
Always I like it very much, especially you provide the wonderful food to the hunger. So that is one of our project and the LCI level.
Pravi, da je izjemno zadovoljen. Obiskal je seveda projekt javne kuhinje pod Strehco, kjer je tudi Lions Clubs International Foundation sofinancirala nabavo opreme.
Ogledali ste se tudi del Slovenije.
You have been visiting also part of Slovenia. How do you like it?
Oh, it's wonderful. So, especially I like the food, seafood. Excellent.
Rekli ste, da vam je ostalo v spominu to, ker je snežilo. Še kaj drugega morda?
Except of snowing, do you have any other impression about Slovenia?
Oh, yeah, I told you that I've been the other day, so the one city, ocean waterfront,
Piran.
There is beautiful scenery plus and the beautiful seafood. I enjoyed it really very much.
Obiskal je seveda Piran, bil je navdušen nad tem ogledom in seveda navdušen je tudi nad slovensko mediteransko hrano.
In če strneva ta pogovor, s kakšnim vtisom odhajate iz Slovenije?
So with what feelings now are you leaving Slovenia?
Oh, wonderful. I had a very fun memory I'm taking with us. My wife and I really enjoyed staying here, especially your Lion leader had a warm heart. Something this is very important as a member of service organization, Lions Club International.
Hvala lepa za pogovor.
Thank you for the conversation.
Thank you so much. Thank you.